Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 days of OMAD, and these 3 days are going to be a little bit different from my last OMAD because they are part of the 5 days before my period actually started, so you're going to see some differences there. Let's get into the video. So hi guys, today is Sunday and for dinner I am having some chicken breast, as you can see here, with vegetables as well as a little bit of ham and tortilla de patata or Spanish omelette. This is potatoes with eggs. Okay, so that's my dinner, and I'll show you guys my dessert later. Just so you can see what is left of the tortilla, the omelette, I ate about 2/3 and my boyfriend ate 1/3 of the half. So a little bit less than half remains. So to finish off my night, I am having my usual protein ice cream with blueberries on top and a little bit of cheddar cheese. See you tomorrow. So today is Monday and I'm about to break my fast at 19 hours and 40 minutes. I'm a little bit hungrier than usual today as I'm expecting my period in a few days. So before going to the gym, I'm having a protein shake. I made it with some frozen bananas, so half a frozen banana, almond milk, 1 teaspoon of peanut powder, some protein powder, a little bit of creatine, and decaffeinated coffee. So yeah, that is how I am breaking my fast today. I'm gonna head to the gym and then I'll have my main meal a little bit later on. So I'm about to have dinner. Let me show you guys what I'm having. So I have some leftover Spanish omelette and I made a bagel. Well, I made some bagels. These are Greek yogurt bagels with a little sesame seed on top. We didn't have any bread, so I whipped that up quickly. And then for my main course, I'm having some grego with cauliflower rice. So I'm going to enjoy that and I'll let you guys know what I'm having for dessert later. I had a piece of cheddar cheese after my meal. Anyway, so to finish off my night, I am having some plantain porridge cold with a little bit of Greek yogurt. Hope you can see that. And it's plantain porridge, by the way, and some dark chocolate. I also had a glass of warm milk. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello again. Today is Tuesday and I'm about to break my fast at 19 hours and 20 minutes with another protein shake similar to the one I did yesterday. See you in a bit. So dinner tonight, some cauliflower, sweet potatoes, and a big steak. I'll probably have some cheese and a little bit of bagels after this. I'll show you later. So I ended up having half of the bagel with ham and the next half with ham and cheese. It was so good. Dessert was my protein ice cream with a slice of banana bread and dark chocolate. So on that last day, as you can see, I did have maybe another 2 slices of that almond banana bread that I did, and I had 2 pieces of dark chocolate. I also had half a banana as well. So yeah, I was just really hungry that day, and so I ate quite a bit for my OMAD that day. And my period was due on the 1st of October, which was the next day, and it did not show up. However, the cravings did not occur on Wednesday or Thursday, and then my period came on Friday, which was the 3rd of October. So going into October, I We'll be changing things up a bit only because I know that my hormones are not balanced, they're off, and I want to try to start focusing on balancing my hormones. I am 34 years old and I'm starting to think about my fertility and all of that. So going forward into October, my plan is to adopt a Fast Like a Girl approach by Dr. Mindy. She suggested in her book Fast Like a Girl to help with like balancing the hormones. Anyway, I'll make another video to go into details about that. Yeah, so let me know, what do you eat on your OMAD before your cycle starts? Like, how do you manage your cravings and all of that? And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.